Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour from the national capital. We're getting information that a Mercedes, in fact, rammed into 3 people outside the Ambience Mall in Delhi's Vasant Kunj. We're getting information that one person has tragically been killed in the accident. A 23-year-old man died and 2 others sustained injuries after a Mercedes SUV allegedly rammed into them near a mall on Nelson Mandela Marg in Delhi's Vasant Kunj area. On this, my colleague Anushka brings us more. Take a look.
A late-night drive home turned tragic in Delhi's Vasant Kunj area yesterday evening, where a speeding Mercedes rammed into an auto stand where 3 of the employees of Vasant Kunj Ambience Mall were waiting for the vehicle to arrive. We are showing you the visuals of the Mercedes that is right now in police custody. This incident happened, and in this incident, what the police sources have said is that one person has been killed and 2 others are critically injured. Now, the incident took place around 2:33 a.m. near a mall on the Vasant Kunj area. Police said that a Mercedes G63, allegedly driven by 29-year-old Shivam, who's a resident of Karol Bagh, veered off course due to a diversion and crashed into a roadside pole, hitting 3 men standing nearby. All 3 employees of a restaurant in Ambience Mall, were rushed to hospitals. Doctors declared 23-year-old Rohit, a native of Chamoli in Uttarakhand, brought dead. The other 2 injured men are aged 23 and 35 and are undergoing treatment. Police have apprehended the driver. Initially, inquiries have revealed that Shivam was returning from a wedding with his wife and elder brother when the accident occurred. The vehicle the police have said that belongs to his friend Abhishek. Officers from Vasant Kunj North Police Station reached the site immediately after receiving the PCR call, and we are showing you the visuals of the Mercedes car, which is right now in police custody. We can clearly see the condition of this car. The tires are completely dismantled. Not just the tires, the bonnet of this car is completely crushed, and we can clearly see the impact the car has taken after the accident that happened when the car lost control. It was speeding and it rammed into a diversion and then got overturned near an auto stand where 3 people were waiting for their ride back home. We can clearly see the fuel leakage that can be seen here. The bonnet of this already broken car. This is a Mercedes car which was in fact driven by a 29-year-old Shivam. Allegedly, he was going back home after attending a wedding, and this incident happened, which has taken life of 1 person, leaving 2 people critically injured. With camera person Gopal, this is Anushka Garg for NETV.